Do you know who these people are? Or where do they live? Well, you may not know them personally, but you definitely know that they are doctors and nurses. How do you know that? Because of the type of clothes that they are wearing. Now, what about these people? Do you know them? Definitely you don't. But you know that they are lawyers because of their clothing. Similarly, here we have a policeman and a firefighter. Again, we know that because of their clothing, isn't it? So, clothes are very important in our lives, and we wear clothes for different reasons. Now, what are the different reasons because of which we wear clothes? Let's see. So, first and foremost, clothes protect our body from elements of nature. So, whether it is heat, cold, rain, or dust, clothes help our body to protect against heat, cold, rain, and dust. Now, we wear sweaters during winter season because they keep us warm. But have you seen anybody wearing sweaters in summer? Well, you won't see, because in summer season we will feel hot in a sweater. So there are different seasons, and according to different seasons and situations, we wear different types of clothes. So a major purpose of clothing is to protect us, to provide protection to the body. In summer, we wear cotton clothes because they are light and airy. Similarly, in winter, we wear woolen clothes because they are warm. And in rainy season, we wear raincoats because they are waterproof. So all these protect our body from different elements of nature. So a major function of clothing is protection. So now can you answer this question? Which clothes will you wear if it is cold outside? Will it be A, this dress, or B, this one, or C, this one? What do you think? Which one will be right clothing when it is cold outside? Well, the right answer will be B. Why do I say so? Because when it is cold outside, you need clothes which are thick and warm. So these kids are wearing jackets which are thick and warm. So whenever it's cold outside, you will wear this type of clothing. Now another very important purpose of clothing is identification. So here we have doctors. So we can clearly identify that they are doctors because they have this particular clothing. Similarly, here we can see that they are lawyers because they have a certain type of clothing. Similarly, we can easily say that this person is a policeman because he has a particular clothing. So clothing helps us identify the type of profession. So it is also used for identification. So what are the two main functions of clothing? One is that clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. And also they help us identify the type of work done by a person. So these two are the major functions of clothing.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.